loudly you guys couldn't hear them. We were in like a party chat. And so, that's really all I have to say. Let's get into the video.
I don't think so. Okay. Hey guys, we're playing Scary Monkey Horror. Let's get into it. I'm gonna. Yeah, what the? Why did you leave? It's K1234. Bro, Joe, why did he leave? Yeah. Just 1234. No 5. There's no 5. Okay, guys. Let's go back to mountains. No, I don't, cause I don't want this video to. Okay, guys, let's go. Yeah, I love this game. Unless I'm a. God, no. Oh, that's why I died. Imagine not being scared. I'm down here. Who wants to go get him again? Yeah, because I'm a scaredy cat, bro. Okay, I'm a man then. I'm a man. No! Help me! No! I'm stuck! Oh God. Yes, I died because my game kept glitching. So yeah, guys, this game is very fun and totally not scary. Totally play it by yourself and it makes the experience way better. Way better and way less scary. I'm in. I'm turning on rainbow mode. Okay, there we go. Rainbow mode's on. Hopefully you can hear them, guys. I don't know. I'm still posting this, but he just died, I think. Where are you? Where's the other kid? They both left! You both died? Literally! If you're on ice and you're barely moving, you're dead. Literally. Where's the back rooms? I want to do it. It's going to be so fun. Totally. Guys. Where are you guys? I'm in city right now. Actually, no, I hate rainbow mode. No! Monster's chasing me! I'm joking. Okay, turn off rainbow mode. It's in the back of the keyboard. Press the green button. It takes a sec to load. Wait, let's go in caves. Go back to the computer. Click this green button behind. It will take a sec though. Do you still have the light on? Yeah, there. Okay, let's go. What was that? I just saw a purple thing behind you. Oh God, why is it so dark? Okay, there we go. Sorry, my bad. My light turned off for a sec. Oh no! Why is that thing creepy crawler? Oh no! No! I can't! No! I can't. Why is he so fast? Why is he so fast? He's in you. That's it. I'm going back in his dump. I can't. He's so fast. Wait. Let's go. Let's go in caves. I mean mines. Run. Wait, you guys want to go in mines? Oh, there's 2 of them. I forgot. Okay, let's go in here. Okay, let's go. We gotta make this vid quick. Oh no. No, I can't. Look over there. Oh no. Just go over here. It's totally not one over here. I swear I saw one over here though. No, I saw a light right there. Watch one come right here. Okay, I got the one last time. Now it's Timmy's turn. I think he's... No, run! Why are you guys leaving me? Go! Run! He wants to kiss me, I think. He wants to kiss me. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go to the back rooms, wherever it is. One more, then we're done. It's probably in... Why is it so laggy? It's so laggy. I'll be over there. Where are we going? Oh gosh. Oh no, where is it? Guys, follow me. Okay, let's go. What is that? I can't see. Wait, pause. Guys, this is gonna be the end. Peace.